We are in the final stages of our 125cc budget drift kart build, and as you can see, we've got a lot of work ahead of us today. This has honestly been one of the most enjoyable builds I've ever done on this channel. Probably because this was a kid's quad bike and we've turned it into a full-on drift kart, so it's really quite simple to work on. All the fundamentals are the same in terms of building a car, but everything's such a smaller scale, so things happen really quickly when you're building these. I've seen a bunch of you guys thinking about building them, and I would highly recommend it, especially if you're looking at dipping your toe into the automotive world. This is the perfect way to start. Last episode I was an absolute rookie and I ran out of paint mid-painting our frame. This morning I went shopping, we've got our paint, and we can finally finish painting this frame. Then comes the fun part, because we get to assemble this thing for the final time. It is day 11, the second to last day of the 12 days of Mikemas. We've been daily vlogging every day and doing giveaways in every single video, and honestly, I've enjoyed the absolute hell out of it. Last episode, I gave away this beautiful bubble steering wheel. Congratulations to Chidley, you are the winner of the steering wheel. Thank you so much to everyone who's commented on the videos. I read every single comment. I try and reply to as many as I can. But once again, in this episode, we are giving away something super special. This is my E36 Pro drift car. In this video, I'm giving away the steering wheel literally off my Pro drift car, including the quick release hub. I used this steering wheel last season. It's a fantastic steering wheel, and I'm gonna send it to one of you guys. Once again, all you gotta do is comment below to be in to win. Good luck, now let's get painting. Full coverage, baby! So now it's time to add the special sauce, the glitter. Oof, all the sparkles. I did not hold back on the sparkle. I literally just used a whole can on this thing. It is so freaking sparkly. So last but not least, we need to apply the clear coat. This is what makes the glitter stand out even more and the whole thing just pop. But it's kind of boring to watch, so we're just gonna use YouTube magic for this one. 3, 2, 1. And just like that, our frame is officially painted. I'm not sure if you guys can see that sparkle on camera, but it is absolutely ridiculous. We've definitely gone overboard with this thing, but hey, it's nice to be fancy. After all the time and effort we've put into this thing, it is finally time for the final assembly. Before we put anything else on the frame, it is definitely the best to do the loom first, so I can shorten everything up, mount everything where it needs to be. Then we can put the engine and everything else in, and it should look super tidy. Alright, so this is as far as I can get with the loom right now. It doesn't look like much, obviously, but I need to fit everything else on the car, including the motor, so I can finalize the wiring and make sure everything is in the right spot, which means we now get to throw everything else onto the frame. Let's frickin' go. Removable bar, baby, how good. And now it is time for our motor to go into the frame for the final time. Yes, whew, how good. Look at that, our motor is in for the final time, hopefully. Time for the final video montage to get this thing back together. Let's go. So sick. So we are finally done. This thing is built, it's finished. Oh, actually, it's not finished. We've got one more thing to do, but it is like completely together. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna show you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Look at that. That is freaking, I don't even have any words right now. And guess what? My friend Marcus is there. Yo! What do you think? Tell me.
Oh, this thing is absolutely nuts. Mark will tell you in a minute probably, but yeah, he's already started up and fired up, and yeah, this thing's gonna be, that death cart will be an understatement, I think, for this one.
Yeah, he let the cat out of the bag. Of course, I had to press that start button, and I may have clicked it into gear, and I may have immediately driven straight into this door right here because I forgot about the clutch situation. This is just beyond what I thought we were gonna end up with when we threw this together. There's still a little bit of a mess of like wiring stuff down here that we've just cable tied for now, but it's all about making sure that everything actually works first. But I think maybe we could press the start button actually right now and see. You ready for this? Look at that, fires right up. This thing runs absolutely beautifully. But we're missing one fundamental thing.
Very crucial thing.
Actually, I would say two, because we don't have brakes on this thing yet, but we'll talk about that later. We don't have an exhaust on this at the moment. So right now, this is gonna be a longer video for you guys, and you've been begging for it, so you're welcome. We're gonna build the exhaust for this thing. So we have our pipe right here, and as you can see, is dead straight. So we're gonna have to do some bending. The exhaust comes out right here, out of the engine. We'll move this cable, and I'm gonna go straight down here, down the side, underneath, and we're gonna go out the back. And of course, we're doing twin blast pipes. I'm so freaking pumped. I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like. And we're gonna get right to work. But before we get to work, Marcus has a YouTube channel. He's trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. How many have you got?
I've got 830 at the moment, mate.
830. So we're all gonna band together, me and you. Go subscribe to Marcus. The link is in the comments. It's the pinned comment. Subscribe to Marcus.
You want to see some sick drifting footage and hopefully some builds next year.
Yeah, this dude is an absolutely mental drifter. Has an S13 drift car, K70 drift car, a bunch of other cars. Go show him some love, you know? Yoo! Share the love with the mates, but let's build this frickin' exhaust. Here is our exhaust. Look at that, expert fab work done by me. Don't look too close at any of the welds, please, because they are below par. But they're sealed, and that's all that matters. And tomorrow, what I'm actually gonna do is heat wrap this, like Cafe Racer style, which is gonna be freaking sick. But I'm very happy with the placement of the exhaust. We're gonna throw it in, I'm gonna show you guys, but it's pretty sweet. And of course, we have to start it and see what it sounds like. And hopefully, it pops flames.
Shoot some flames,
We need flames. That's all we're here for. I don't care about anything else. And wheelies. Flames and wheelies, and we are good to go. It goes under here. Yay, up here. And then I've got a mount right here, and what I'm gonna do is run a piece of rubber between here to give this like at least flexibility, because last time when I solid mounted the exhaust, it literally just rips them to pieces, because these things love to rattle. Well, at least the 2-strokes do. I don't know about the 4-stroke, but...
Seem pretty rowdy.
Yes.
Rattle something.
Agree, yeah. So we're just gonna assume that it's gonna rattle itself to pieces, so this is so friggin' exciting. Sound good, please. Boom. We have exhaust. She runs down the side here, and out the back. Look at that. Looks good.
It looked good.
Looks sweet. The question on everyone's lips, including mine, is what does it sound like? All right, start button. Wow, that sounds freaking insane. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Marcus and I did just take it for a cheeky wee ride. The video is dropping tomorrow on the last day of the 12 days of Bikemas. Honestly, you have no idea. It is...
We're both still laughing and smiling from it.
It is absolutely wild. Like, it's the dumbest, craziest, mental thing ever. This thing has turned out beyond like what I could have dreamed that it would turn out. It looks so freaking good. Look at the exhaust. We took it for a bit of a ride. Now the exhaust has turned blue. We're definitely heat wrapping that in the morning. That is the end of this video. I'm so freaking happy review of this thing. It looks absolutely incredible.
Might need some brakes.
Oh yeah, we definitely need some brakes. Get excited for tomorrow. The video is going to be incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give Marcus a freaking subscribe. Support the local Australian YouTubers. Don't forget to drop a comment to win my personal steering wheel off the E36. And yeah, just again, thank you guys so much for the support. I'm going to see you bright and early in the morning. We are taking this thing and we're going to friggin' thrash it. Marcus is going to be here too.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers. Peace.
Adios.
Bye. This is wild. You have no idea. Bye.